Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Now on the SUI chart, my idea is that we could be in this yellow B wave, which is currently here, positioned. B wave pullback in a larger B wave. That's what I'm tracking at the moment. We're dealing here with an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down in the larger fourth wave. The idea is that within this larger fourth wave, we could have started the B wave, which I mentioned yesterday. Resistance is between $2.09 and $2.24, and within the B wave, we have an A, B, C structure itself. Now, could something more bullish unfold? Absolutely, but it would require a break above 224 to confirm that further. Why is that important? But because B waves can easily reach the 78.6 retracement at 224, but anything above that would already look a little bit more like the white C wave. Let me just remove that. Talking about the white C wave to the upside, yeah? So this would be a little bit more like that, okay, if we can manage to break above initial resistance. So why is this important? Why do we need to get a break above 224? Because it's all about having a bullish and a bearish scenario and then the pivot in between, From the support area, we were watching for a reaction. Okay, there is an initial reaction. Now we just need to observe, does this rally look a little... Rally, it's not a real rally, but you know what I mean. A little bit of a reaction. Does it look more like the yellow B wave? Or is it rather a C wave in the white count? And again, the 224 level helps us distinguish between them, differentiate between them. But please note that the white C wave would be a 5-wave pattern. So we'd be looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But, while that's possible, I would first need to see it, okay? And how can we distinguish it from the yellow count? Well, only with the last 4-5 pattern. So my idea already yesterday was that we could have started the B wave. I mentioned this here might be the A. This here might be the B. So as long as we're holding the 23rd of October low that is located at 186, the C wave to the upside could come next. And if there is another 4-5 pattern, great. Is it great for trading? Nah, not. I mean, trading the micro here, it is tricky in my view because we're dealing with B-wave pullbacks, corrective pullbacks. They are never, they are not providing great setups. If this was a 1-2 setup, it'd be better. With a B-wave pullback, support is a little bit weak usually, okay? But it's a 3-wave pullback, so overall we can watch for higher in the yellow B wave at least, and then if a 5-wave move forms, it's rather the white count. Well, that would be useful to know, because in the white count, after the third is finished here, another 4-5 pattern should happen. So throughout the last few weeks, not much happened here. We've been sort of just moving sideways. The main support is at 132. I already gave you my ideas what the best, in my view, the most relaxed way would be to trade this. Basically see all of this as a range, with 133 as key support, and then scaling in, scaling out. That avoids the need for, predicting necessarily all the micro patterns, and it's just more peaceful trading if you choose to follow that chart, right? Overall, next upside levels to watch are at $2.47 and $3.04 and $3.52. But as I said, in the very short term, the focus needs to be on whether this Wednesday low holds on the 23rd of October. And, as long as it's holding, the focus could be on higher at least for one more high in wave C of B. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.